Life is full on. I wear many hats. Being a professional, I'm always striving to perfect my craft. I'm constantly pushing myself, be it in the kitchen or on my bike. But what is it that pushes me? I guess passion. Passionate about perfecting that signature dish or even clocking in the extra mile on the road. If I can't be passionate about what I'm doing, then there's no point doing it. But when life gets tough, I take a step back, unwind, and relax. That means being with my family and making sure I can make time to do the things that make them laugh and the things that make me laugh. This includes trying something new and something different. Having the right insurance partner means peace of mind, and getting around and doing the things that put a smile on my face.